In a recent project, interior designer Natalia Contova, the founder of Mizanna Designs, showcased her expertise in transforming living spaces with a blend of elegance and functionality. Meeting her clients when the main fit-out works of their apartment were nearing completion, Contova embarked on a journey to create a space that not only exuded beauty but also served its inhabitants well. Contova's vision for the apartment revolved around incorporating elements of Japandi style. This fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian design principles emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and natural elements. To achieve this aesthetic, Contova opted for a neutral paint color for the walls, serving as a serene backdrop for the space. To infuse character into the apartment, Contova adorned the walls with statement art pieces, adding visual interest and personality. Additionally, she incorporated minimalistic paneling, enhancing the visual appeal of the space while maintaining a sense of simplicity and elegance. In selecting furniture pieces, Contova struck a balance between simplicity and uniqueness. Each piece was carefully chosen to stand out while contributing to the overall harmony of the design. The goal was to create a clutter-free environment that felt light and airy, promoting a sense of tranquility and relaxation. As the fit-out works were completed prior to Mizanna Designs' involvement, Contova and her team faced the challenge of revising and redesigning certain aspects of the project. Despite this hurdle, they approached the task with creativity and ingenuity, ensuring that the design vision came to life seamlessly. To warm up the space and create a welcoming atmosphere, Contova incorporated rich wood tones such as dark chocolate and espresso. These warm hues were complemented by materials like black marble, off-white terrazzo, and cream upholstery, adding depth and sophistication to the apartment's aesthetic. Micro-cement finishes and wardrobe facades provided additional texture and visual interest, while brown leather accents added a touch of drama to the overall design scheme. The inclusion of gypsum artwork throughout the apartment added a textured finish to the serene walls, elevating the space with its artistic allure. Through meticulous attention to detail and a keen eye for design, Natalia Contova and her team at Mizanna Designs successfully transformed the apartment into a haven of Japandi-inspired elegance. From the neutral backdrop and statement art to the carefully curated furniture and finishing touches, every element was thoughtfully chosen to create a space that is as beautiful as it is functional.